Yeah, this video was generated by using Veo 3, and if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a video like this. So you have to come to your browser and create a fresh Gmail account. As I'm having my Gmail account now, I create a fresh Gmail account, and once you create a fresh Gmail account, you would now look for VPN. So there are different VPNs that you may have. Some may work, some may not work for free. So but I recommend one VPN, that is Urban VPN. As you can see, it is 100% free. Once you're here, you're going to allow the installation and scroll down. Then you see a pop-up. Then add to Chrome. Then add extension. Once you add your extension, click on this little bit button. You're going to see it here. Okay, you're going to pin it. Go back. Come back to the VPN again. You're going to connect it to countries. Agree. It's not connected. You have to select your country. Here I'm going to select United States. Connecting, connected. So you can get back and let's go and search for Veo 3. Once you're here, you go to DeepMind. Google DeepMind. Once you're in Google DeepMind, you say try with Gemini, try in Gemini and try in Flow. So here we are going to try with Flow. Once you're in try in Flow, we're going to create with Flow. Then once you create, I have account already. So that is why it has already come as Pro. You see, if you don't have account, it will now prompt you to Google. It will now tell you to use Google AI Pro to subscribe to Google AI. So once you subscribe there, you're going to see that. So once you're in Pro, when you click here, you're going to see the Pro. You have 920 AI generator, as you can see. So these are the projects that I created, and when you come here, look at the videos that I created using Veo 3. Let me play one of them. They're playing, loading. Exactly. This is Veo 3 product. Okay, as you can see, we play this one. Alright, so you can come here to Gemini. Let me go to Gemini. Once you go to Gemini, you see the same. So you come here, you paste your prompt. What prompt I'm going to be using? We can use this prompt. Let me copy one prompt here, copy and paste it here. We're going to use Veo 3 and let's continue and see it's going to give us. So let's check this one, guide here. Mail. So let's create. It's going to give us the video in a second. So this can take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, voila. As you can see, let me play it. Awesome. So it's nice. So please, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for the update of my next video so that you don't miss any. So if you want to download it, you come here, hit the download button and the video is downloaded. Awesome. So thank you. I will see you in the next video. So if you like it, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel.